Today we're gonna assemble this cute Copepod. For this project, you need dark blue yarn and red or pink yarn in 3.75 millimeters in size, some stuffing, scissors, a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook, and then a crochet stopper. All right, let's go ahead and start this adorable creation. So we are ready to assemble our Copepod. If you have not watched tutorials 1 through 4, I would suggest doing so before constructing this.
I'm so fresh. So fresh. I'm so fresh. Crowd go bang when I bring that energy. Bring that energy. Bring that. Bring that energy. Waving a wrist like Dex in a mix up energy. G. Bring that energy. G. Tequila. Bring that energy. Bring that.
When gunshot touch them, father, some yaga son a man, Waller, Stone Cold son a man, start up bomb me ban a man, run a man down me a block that gunman. Father, some yaga son a man, Waller, Stone Cold son a man, start up bomb me ban a man, run a man down me a block that gunman. Father, son them, Waller send for the gun them. Father, son them, Waller send for the gun them. Father, son them, Waller send for the gun them. Some boy have to block like run when find them, carbine them. Them can't this none of my friend. Real bad man from Island. Him pop up, we not like them. We not love them, we not trust them. Some have to block that rush them. Big 4-5 man bust them. Quite dead when contract touch them. Break.
So this concludes our Copepod tutorial. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you have any feedback that can help you guys learn how to assemble these amazing creations better, or if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see in the future, please feel free to comment down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you guys so much for your time, and take care.